This is the first time on video for this magnificent cross. This is veitchii, lowii, robcantleyi. It's a random mixture from quite a large number of different clones, and there's a fair bit of variation which we'll show you. Just randomly we have 3 plants hanging quite close to each other here. So this is one of them. There we go. And moving to the plant next to it, this one here, with a newer picture. Look at that. And then the plant next to that is different again. It's much darker in peristome, all big, all have very hard, tough pictures, really hard. So they'll be long lasting. Going back to the first plant we looked at here. There we are. Nepenthes, veitchii, lowii, robcantleyi. The first time we've ever shown this on video.